Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're in a spooky old cemetery. It's a gloomy, windy day, perfect to show off my Shadow High boy. I do a collaboration that is a challenge set out for each of you. I do this with Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and Irene from Irene's Dolly Space. We're going to set up here a little bit and show you some of these old headstones, and we are not being disrespectful in any manner. Oh my goodness, is this not the perfect headstone? Rest in peace, John B. This is the coolest cemetery. I love these old headstones. Darren and I ride our bikes through really old cemeteries in the little towns that we live near, and I always bid these people rest in peace. Can you hear the wind blowing? Oh my Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Okay, everybody, stay here. We're going off alone.